Hi guys! In this video, you will learn how to set up Facebook Business Manager. So to do that, open your browser and go to business.facebook.com. Then in here, you can see now the interface of Facebook Business. There are a lot of options to log in with Business Facebook, but we're gonna use login with Facebook here and log in to your account. So in here, just scroll down and then click create an account. Then create your own business account in Business Manager. Just put your business and account name, your name, and your business email. And then click submit. So in here, you can see now the interface of Business Facebook where you can manage your ads, see your ads reports, and access Event Manager. Well, Facebook Business Manager can be very useful for managing multiple aspects of your business presence on Facebook, such as advertising, pages, and assets. It provides a centralized platform for organizing and controlling various aspects of your Facebook presence, making it easier to collaborate, track performance, and manage permission. So that's how to set up Facebook Business Manager. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.